Alright, so yesterday I finished a new feature called Collections, and so Eleventy has this thing called Collections, and it's based off tagging. And all it does, tagging is in Eleventy, that is, in Eleventy's a static site generator. But anyways, tagging, what that does, if you tag a page, it adds it to that collection. So for example, if I create a people tag and I tag a page with people, it adds it to the people collection. And you can get really fancy and custom with your collections as you're on the custom logic and stuff, like based on attributes in the page. But what I did is I exposed those tags to the user, so now they can make their own collections. They can create their own tags and then tag each page however they want, and then there's going to be a component that pulls up all of those pages. So now, for example, we'll continue using the example of the people page, which is with people, let's say you have all your employees, so we'll call it employees instead, the employees tag, and then you have John, Jane, Courtney, and a bunch of other people, right? Let's say Courtney's well, first, let's say you make all those pages, and then everybody has their own little bio page, and then you pull in the section that pulls people of the employees tag, so it automatically creates cards for those employees. Cool. Alright, let's say now that Courtney is a payroll manager and she embezzles some money. Oh, that's not great. Well, you fire Courtney, and you gotta get rid of her from your website. All you gotta do is go to your website, and you can just delete that page, Courtney's bio page, and her page will be gone. And it'll also delete it from the section that was pulling in those pages. That's a really cool, it's a nice to have feature, not need to have, but it makes managing pages that are very similar or more structured really easy. Another good example would be like case studies, right? Where you're gonna post different case studies of things, and then you want to automatically show them as you add more, and that way you can just add those case studies anywhere on your site, and it'll be updated everywhere. So yeah, that's what I made yesterday. Today I'm gonna, I don't know what to do. I'll figure out something to do, I'm sure, but it might be site stitcher related, because I finished one of my classes recently, and I have 3 classes this term. Oh my, there's so many details I have to go into, but point is, I have 3 classes in this term. I have submitted the last paper for the last class, so I'm just waiting for it to get graded before I can start pulling in classes from future terms, because Western Governors University lets you accelerate once you finish all the classes in your current term, which I'm be doing, which hopefully it's soon, and I can start pulling in classes from future terms, so I can hopefully finish this master's in less than 6 months. So yeah, that's what I got going on.